Welcome to Chemistry Education Academy. In my previous video, we discussed about the geometrical isomerism. To understand optical isomerism perfectly, we should know the basic concept of symmetry elements and symmetry operations. So, let us discuss about the symmetry elements and symmetry operations. Objectives of the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the introduction of symmetry operations, uses of symmetry elements in chemistry, different types of symmetry elements, axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, types with examples, definition of center of symmetry, improper rotational axis of symmetry with examples. What is symmetry? Nature provides beautiful examples of symmetry. An object is said to be symmetric if a part or a portion of it looks exactly like another part in the same object. See the examples of insects exhibits bilateral symmetry. Uses of symmetry in chemistry to predict or explain many of molecules' chemical properties, to find out information about the bonding such as its dipole moment, to predict optical activity of a molecule, to predict infrared and Raman spectral activity. Symmetry operations. A symmetry operation is an action or a movement performed on an object which brings the final position into coincident with the initial position. That is, after a symmetry operation is performed, the initial and final position of an object remains indistinguishable both geometrically and physically. Symmetry operations are done with respect to an axis or a plane or a point. See the examples. If the molecule shows the symmetry through a point is called center of symmetry. If the molecule shows the symmetry through a line is called axis of symmetry. If the molecule shows the symmetry through a plane is called plane of symmetry. Symmetry elements. The geometrical entity around which a symmetry operation is performed is called a symmetry elements. There are 5 basic types of symmetry operations which leave the center of gravity of an object unshifted. The symmetry operation and symmetry elements associated with each operation are given in the table. See the table. See, if the symbol is E, the symmetry operation is identity or doing nothing. If the symbol is Cn, the symmetry operation is rotation by 360 degrees by n. Symmetry element is n-fold axis. If the symbol is sigma, symmetry operation is reflection and the symmetry element is mirror plane. If the symbol is I, symmetry operation is inversion through a center and symmetry element is point. If the symbol is Sn, the symmetry operation is called improper rotation and the symmetry element is n-fold axis and mirror plane. Rotational axis of symmetry denoted with Cn. Rotational axis of symmetry, also known as n-fold proper axis of symmetry. It rotates the molecule about the axis by 360 degrees by n clockwise. The operation is denoted by the symbol Cn, where n is an integer. Rotational axis of the symmetry again classified into 5 types. First one is called one-fold axis of symmetry. Here n is equal to 1 equals 360 degrees by n means 360 by 1 is equal to 360 degrees means the rotation will takes only once time. And second one is two-fold axis of symmetry. N is equal to 2 equals 360 degrees by 2 equals 180 degrees means rotation is rotation will take 2 times. And third one is threefold axis of symmetry. N is equal to 3. 360 degrees by 3 is equal to 120 degrees. Means the rotation is 3 times. Fourfold axis of symmetry. N is equal to 4 equals 360 degrees by 4 equals 90 degrees. So the rotation will take 4 times. And last one is multifold axis of symmetry. N is equal to 5. 360 degrees by 5 is equal to 70. So more than 4 times the rotation will take. So that is called multifold axis of symmetry. See the different types of rotational axis of symmetry examples. Second symmetry element is identity E. This is an operation which brings molecules back to its original orientation. This operation does nothing. It is simplest of all the symmetry elements. It is the only element operation possessed by all the molecules. It is denoted by E, for example CHBrCl. Plane of symmetry denoted with sigma. This is an operation about a plane. A molecule is said to have a plane of reflection if the plane bisects the molecule into two halves so that one part becomes the mirror image of the other part. There are three types: vertical plane of symmetry, sigma V; horizontal plane of symmetry denoted with sigma H; dihedral plane of symmetry denoted with sigma D. Vertical plane of symmetry denoted with sigma V. The plane which is passing through the principal axis of symmetry is called a vertical plane of symmetry. For example, water molecule has two vertical planes which are perpendicular to each other. One plane is passing through oxygen and between two hydrogen atoms, and the other is molecular plane which is passes through all the atoms of the molecule. Horizontal plane of symmetry denoted with sigma H. The plane which is perpendicular to principal axis of symmetry is known as horizontal plane of symmetry. A molecular plane is also a sigma H plane which is perpendicular to principal axis. See the example of BX3 molecule, which is a trigonal planar molecule. C3 rotational axis. Principal axis is perpendicular to sigma H plane. Mirror planes, dihedral plane of symmetry. The vertical planes sigma V go through the carbon atoms and include the C6 axis. The planes that is bisects the bonds are called dihedral planes, sigma D. A dihedral plane passes between two mutual perpendicular C2. Improper rotational axis of symmetry denoted with Sn. It is also known as an alternative axis of symmetry or rotational reflection axis of symmetry. In this, molecule is made to rotate clockwise around its own axis at an angle 360 degrees and then reflected in a plane perpendicular to its axis. If this brings the molecule into coincidence with itself, this operation involves the rotation of the molecule followed by reflection. It is also known as rotation-reflection axis of symmetry. See the example of methane, fourfold improper rotation. So the first molecule is rotate through 90 degrees and reflected through a plane that is perpendicular to the original rotational axis. Inversion, center or through a center denoted with I. It is also known as center of inversion or center of symmetry. It is a point in the center of a molecule, and any line drawn from this point finds a similar environment in opposite direction. In other words, a molecule in which the straight line drawn from its center meets identical atoms at equal distance from the center is said to have a center of symmetry. The compounds with all the center of symmetry are known as centrosymmetric compounds. CN is also known as a type of conformational test of chirality. If a line drawn through a point in a molecule and extended in both directions encounters equal point in either, the point through which line is drawn is called an inversion center, and it is denoted as I. See the example of center of inversion. Important questions from this topic. Describe different types of symmetry elements with suitable examples. Define rotational axis of symmetry. Explain various types of rotational axis of symmetry with examples. Explain different types of plane of symmetry in the molecules with suitable examples. Identify the improper axis of symmetry in the following examples. Trans 1,2 dichloroethane BX3 PTCl4 allene. Show the symmetry elements present in H2O and benzene. In my coming video, we'll discuss about the optical isomerism and different types of optical